Today, I'm about to show you how to remove these headlights off this car. I'm gonna remove the bumper because I have more space, so I'm gonna remove the bumper. I'm gonna show you how to do that too. With that, I did do a video on how to remove this fender, but shit got deleted, man. All that fucking work and the shit got deleted. It's fucked up, man. But whatever. I'm gonna show you how to take off those headlights. Let's begin, man. Let's begin. Once you jack your car up, good height. Make sure you can get under there. Good. Put your jack stands, man. I don't want you to kill yourself, man. So, put your jack stand. Jack it up a good height. Or if you have a ramp, put it on a ramp. And yeah, start this shit, man. Start this. First, let's remove the screws. It's over here. That's a screw. There's a Phillips. Take that out with a Phillip. There's a clips. It's supposed to be a freaking clip over here, but it's missing. Like this over here. You see these right here? Right there. That's how they look. Take those off with a flathead. There's another screw down. There's another screw down there. Let's take those off. Phillips screwdriver. We got the Phillips. Phillips. All right. Make sure you don't strip it, man. Then you have to really rip the shit off. I know some people will say all you gotta do is take off the 10 bolts that's over here, the 2 bolts, but not this one, man. It's the factory with the ballast that's stuck on the. There's like, you'll see, it's stuck on there. You can't just take off those 2 top ones and just rip it off. So let's continue this. All right, I removed all my screws. Tabs. I'm gonna leave this here because it can stay here. I just removed it off the bumper so I could remove the bumper. Okay, now there's a 10 mil over here. Let me show you with the light. It's the 10 mil right there. Oh, right in there. There's a 10 mil. Right in there. It's 10 mil or screw. Sometimes they put screws. Yeah, it's a 10 mil. Let's take that off. It's supposed to be a 10 mil here, but look like there's a screw there. They put a screw, mad ratchet. Same thing with the other side. Take off those screws if they have screws. So you take off those both sides of the screws. This one had a nail in it. You know, this car was hit, so they was trying to do some custom work, so failed. All right, so when you do that, remove the bumper. You have to disconnect the fogs. Fogs are connected. You see that? This fog's right here. See this one's no good. You see this? This is the ballast that's supposed to be in the headlight. It's off. It's hanging. But anyways, it's a fog light right here. It's a tab on it. You see that tab? Squeeze it down and pull on it. Just like that. Same thing with the other side. See this one, see? This one is intact. You see that? This is the ballast for the headlight now. So let's take that off. Drop the bumper. The bumper's gonna drop, so be careful. If the bumper's clean, don't drop this shit. Alright. So you do that. Remove the bumper. Put it somewhere safe. Also, if your parking light is there, you gotta twist the tab off it. See that? You gotta twist the tab off this. Like, shit. See, dropped. Let's put this bumper somewhere. You see, this was supposed to be on the damn headlight, but this shit just ripped off. This plastic piece, you see that? You see that? This is supposed to be this factory piece. It ripped off, so they just left it hanging over here. That's crazy. But you see, they're trying to do some body work on here. They put another one with a ballast on, so this one will come off soon. I take off those bolts. This factory one, you see, it's hanging. It's supposed to be a 14 mil bolt like this over here, and this one under here. I'm gonna show you on the other side because this side's fucked up. Okay, first, let's remove these 10 mils. 10. Okay. You could disconnect those if you can. The headlight and the signals and the high beam. The high beam somewhere here. There you go. Let's take off the bottom bolts first before we do that. Right here, it's 14 mils I was talking about. 14. You see this? It's hidden. No one knows this is it. You know what I'm saying? It's like under there. You see that? You see that? So you have to bend this back. You have to bend this back. Just get to that bolt. Let me show you. You see, look. There you go. See? Now you can get to it. 14. Put an extendo. Okay. I'll ratchet first. If you have a power drill, even better, even faster. Let's take off both of those. That one and this one right here. You know damn well I don't like them ratchets. You know the vibes. You know what I'm saying? I like to speed shit up, man. Speed shit up. Okay. Both of those are out. If you're gonna reuse that, save these bolts. If not, trash it. Now, the headlight could come out. Pull it slowly. You don't want to break shit. Now, get to these connectors. Easy. Take those off. Like that, and don't forget the high beam tab over here. Okay. If it's really stuck, you can just twist this off. Take the bulb out. Anyways, lift this up. Just like that, man. There you go. There you go, man. There you go. So this side, you can just pull this out, disconnect the connectors, since you don't have the factory thing, just like the other side. Take those off, just pull it out. That's it. See, this one just have the ballast under there. That's how people normally do it after they take off this big ass shit under it. This, you just keep it like this, so it's easier to come off. There you go, man. That is it. All right, once you're done, put everything back. I'm not putting mine back because somebody's coming to get it. Let's get your bumper over there. Put it back, put the bolts, all that stuff, splash shield, and that is it. Make sure you put your connectors back in the headlights. That's it. Parking light, don't forget those. That twist on. Fog light, don't forget that. And yeah, pretty much it. Don't forget to give me a like. And most important, subscribe. Share with your friends. Till next time, man. Later.